All right, we're going to go over real quick those questions that you just answered, and just go over the correct answers. And in case you made any mistakes or errors, you can try and address some of those things right now. So, first of all, that first question, blue jeans are a popular consumer good with teenagers. Which of the following would cause the demand for blue jeans to decrease? The correct answer there would have been A. Okay. And this is why. So if you said B, that's a very common mistake. So don't freak out if you said B. But the thing is here is it says blue jeans are a popular consumer good with teenagers. Which of them would cause the demand to decrease? So the demand for blue jeans to decrease. So go back to what we talked about yesterday. The price of a good only impacts the quantity demanded. So what's going on here is the demand for blue jeans is decreasing. What that means is essentially we have less people buying blue jeans at every price. So we are shifting that demand curve to the left. So one of the things that could cause that would be if schools told kids that they could no longer wear jeans to school. That's going to cause a decrease in the demand for blue jeans. All right. So, second one, Pete's Pizzeria increases the price for a small pizza. What kind of change will occur in the market for Pizza Heaven's small pizza? This one you got to be careful because you've got Pete's Pizzeria, that's one business, but we're talking that what will happen for the market for Pizza Heavens. This is a different business. All right. So Pete's Pizzeria, Pizza Heaven, if you can't kind of figure that out on your own, those two are probably going to be substitutes. You're not going to buy a pizza at both places, more than likely. So they're substitutes for each other. So if Pete's Pizzeria increases their price, that means more people are going to go from there over to Pizza Heaven. So they're going to see their demand increase. So this would happen in the market for Pizza Heaven. The demand would shift to the right because substitute good increased their price. Number 3 says gasoline prices rise. That's the only thing it says, gas prices rise. And it tells us what is going on or what's going to happen in the market for gasoline. So the market is for gasoline prices rise. You should know price only impacts quantity demanded. If price goes up, we should know that quantity demanded is going to go down. So this is one of those tricky ones. Make sure you understand that price changing for a product, if that's the market we're looking at, it's going to impact quantity demanded. So in this case, it would decrease quantity demanded. Number 4, consumers lose weight by eating jelly beans. What kind of change will happen in the market for jelly beans? Well, that's an expectation thing. If consumers are expecting that we're going to lose weight if we eat jelly beans, you're going to have a heck of a lot more people wanting to buy jelly beans no matter what the price is. So we're going to see an increase in demand. So demand increases, it would shift to the right. Number 5, hamburger goes on sale. And what we want to know is what happens in the market for hamburger buns. So understand, make sure you didn't miss that, hamburger buns. You should know those two are going to be complementary goods. You're buying them together. So if hamburgers go on sale, if their price goes down, people are going to buy more hamburgers. That means they're going to need to buy more buns. So we have an increase in demand. So demand would increase. Number 6, according to the law of demand, as the price of a good increases, so once again, as the price of a good increases, what's going to happen? Not A or B. Neither one of these is correct because those say just demand. We're talking about price changing to affect quantity demanded. So as the price of a good goes up, we know it's an inverse relationship. So quantity demanded would go down. So the answer there is D. Be careful with those tricky ones because I know they're probably going to do it to you. Demand versus quantity demanded. Make sure you understand the difference there. Number 7, tea and coffee are blank. Peanut butter and jelly are blank. Okay. So the big key here is make sure you understand that you're going to, with tea and coffee, you're likely not going to consume both at the same time. So you're either going to drink tea or you're going to drink coffee. Whereas peanut butter and jelly, a lot of times you're going to consume those together. So you're going to make you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? So what that means is tea and coffee would be substitutes, whereas peanut butter and jelly would be complements. They go together. So your answer there is C. All right, and the last one, which of the following will increase the demand for pencils? So once again, we're increasing the demand, so we're not talking about the price of pencils. We're talking about what would shift the whole curve. So if you look down here, what's going to increase people buying more pencils at every price? The answer would be D. If you have a decrease in the price of paper, reason why? Paper and pencil, they go together, right? Complementary goods. So if you have a decrease in the price of paper, people are going to buy more pencils. We're going to increase demand for pencils. All right. Hopefully, that wasn't too bad. You did okay on those questions. If you have anything that burning questions you want to ask me, email me and I will try to address it best I can, or save it for Monday when I come back and we will go over it then. Thank you very much.